Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best cold press juicer that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Omega. If you are looking for a cold press juicer for celery, the Omega MM900 HDS is the right choice. Celery provides numerous health benefits, including vitamin content, digestion support, etc. So we should use it properly. You risk losing valuable vitamins if you produce celery juice with regular juicers. To avoid this, we recommend using an Omega cold press juicer, which correctly extracts the nutrients from celery. It comes with 2 adjustable end caps, one for celery and the other for standard. The celery cap must only be used to make celery juice, the regular end cap can cause other fruits or vegetable juices. The Omega cold press juicer machine has triple-stage masticating technology. It can extract a lot of nutrition, flavor, and vitamins from a tiny amount of oranges, nut milk, and other ingredients. The motor speed is too low, 80 RPM, resulting in little noise and heat. The juices can be stored for up to 3 days and contain the same nutrients and vitamins as the first day. Cold press juicer aids in the improvement of the body's immunity and overall wellness. Another benefit of the Omega juicer is that it is simple to clean, and all of its components are dishwasher safe. If you're not sure how to use a cold press juicer, click here to understand more. At number 4. Hurom. Second, we'll discuss the Hurom slow press juicer, a costly and stylish cold press juicer. Compared to the Omega cold press juicer, this machine's speed is 43 RPM, which produces too little noise. Even if it's slow, this squeeze mechanism ensures that all of the nutrients in the fruits are extracted. In our testing of this juicing machine, we discovered that, despite its speed, it is far too quiet when processing. This juicer is ideal for juicing fruits, vegetables, wheatgrass, nut milk, and leafy greens, among other things. Making ice cream with frozen components is also possible with the Hurom HAA slower juicer. The Hurom cold press juicer comes with a pulp controlled by coarse strainers and a lever. Using the Hurom HAA juicer, you can prepare different juices at your home. You do not need to go to a restaurant to drink almond, orange, or apple juice because you have an innovative and stylish juicer to enjoy the summer days with a variety of fluids. The Hurom is one of the highest quality juicers ever because the body of the machine is built of high-impact resistant ABS plastic, and the strainer and auger are composed of heavy-duty Ultem, which is 8 times more sturdy than ordinary plastic. At number 3. Cloud Massage. While the Cloud Massage Shiatsu foot massager is unquestionably more expensive than some of the other options, it is incredibly versatile, delivering a foot massage in ones for your ankles and calves. In addition, it combines shiatsu therapy-style massage with heat to provide a complete pampering experience after a long day. There's also a built-in heat feature to warm up your feet during the massage, making it ideal for folks who are always cool, but our testers report it takes a long time to warm up, roughly 10 minutes. It's also weighty, according to testers, which limits portability. This cloud massager can help with many ailments, including plantar fasciitis, diabetic neuropathy, injury, heel spurs, workout recovery, and everyday discomfort and pain. Massage balls and air compression improve circulation, and a swinging function is used to relax stiff joints. Each one also has 3 levels of intensity so that beginners and advanced massagers can use it. At number 2. BBZZ. The BBZZ cold press juicer is excellent for individuals on a tight budget, are new to juicing, or don't want to spend a lot of money on a cold press juicer. This slow press juicer offers an on-off button and a reverse mode that helps prevent blockage and keeps food going through the juicer efficiently. BBZZ juicer's components are all composed of BPA-free tritan plastic, and they're easy to place together and take apart. The pieces may be washed in the dishwasher, and it's a good idea to clean the juicer before drying the food away. The slow juicer comes with a cleaning brush that makes cleaning the filter and juicer simple. Compared to other juicers, this best affordable cold-pressed juicer extracts 95% of the juice from the fruits and produces very little waste. Even though the juicer is inexpensive, it performs all of the functions of more expensive cold-pressed juicers. In addition, it is an environmentally friendly juicer that produces less than 60 decibels of noise, allowing you to run a quiet kitchen at all times. Finally, the spiral is made of PMMA, which reduces the scent of metal blades and ensures delicious fresh, natural juice. The BBZZ fits all of your needs, even if you're on a low budget. At number 1. Cuvings. One of the most well-known brands on the market is Cuvings. Now we'll look for the Cuvings Slow Juicer. It's an all-in-one juicer so that you can make smoothies, juices, and baby foods. When the machine is turned on, it thoroughly crushes the fruits and turns them into delicious juice. Then, with a 50 RPM speed, it extracts enzymes, vitamins, and minerals from carrots, nut milk, oranges, and whatever else you desire. Bulk ingredients can be fed through the 82 mm broad feeding chute without being chopped, saving time in the kitchen.
Equipment. It's really simple
Cuvings
to operate.
press juicers provide a wide pulp that extracts the most juice from the ingredients while reducing pulp waste. It comes with a 240W strong motor that ensures the machine runs smoothly and the juicer is kept safe. The upper half of the pulp outflow is opened, and the width is broader than in prior versions, making it easier to clean up acceptable waste. The Cuvings brand provides clients with high-quality products, and this best cold-pressed juicer is no exception. In addition, the machine's body is made of Triton-free plastic, allowing you to enjoy your favorite juices healthily anytime you want. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.